Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to another transformative episode of Levitas, your guiding light on the path to weight loss, health, and wellness. Today, we will get on a profound exploration into the art of intermittent fasting, unveiling the magnificent liquids that sustain and invigorate the body during the moments of your fasting window. All of these liquids have the benefit of keeping you hydrated and not breaking your fasting. So come on and join us as we prepare to immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of fasting-friendly liquids and unlock the true essence of hydration and vitality during your intermittent fasting. Stay tuned. Embracing the intermittent fasting. Before we venture into the realm of fasting liquids, let us first embrace the essence of fasting, a great tool that is of high importance when it comes to reversing insulin resistance and shredding those stubborn extra pounds of fat. Fasting is not merely a deprivation of food, but a profound journey of health, self-exploration, and renewal, offering us the opportunity to cleanse the body, sharpen the mind, and awaken your inner furnace for extra fat burning. While fasting has been practiced for centuries for religious, spiritual, and health reasons, recent scientific research suggests that it offers various health benefits. These benefits include improved metabolic health, weight loss, and enhanced mental clarity. As we already mentioned, fasting is a practice that has been revered by several ancient cultures and traditions around the world for millennia. Its physical benefits are surprising, including autophagy, sharp mind, lower glucose levels, lower insulin levels, activating fat-burning mode, heart and brain protection, and even anti-cancer effects. What is the essence of hydration? As we embark on our fasting journey, it is incredibly important to honor the body's need for hydration, an important component of intermittent fasting. Hydration is not merely a matter of quenching thirst, but a practice of keeping your body and mind functioning accordingly throughout your daily activities. So, what drinks shall accompany us on this amazing fasting adventure? Let us unveil the liquids you can drink during your fasting window without causing you to break your fast. And at the end of the video, an extra delicious liquid to help you stay hydrated, so stay tuned. Let's get deep into the liquids you may drink during a fast. The fasting-approved liquids are: liquid number 1, pure water. Clean crystalline water is our steadfast companion on the fasting journey. It's calorie-free, hydrating, and essential for overall health. Drink water throughout the day to stay hydrated. Also supports cellular function and at the same time keeping your body and mind working like a clock. Liquid number 2, teas and infusions. Herbal teas and infusions offer us a symphony of flavors and aromas, helping you to stay well hydrated and delighting your senses. From the calming embrace of chamomile to the invigorating zest of ginger, each sip is a great way of maintaining you at the top of your hydration game. Liquid number 3, black coffee. Coffee lovers rejoice hearing this great news. Black coffee is generally permitted during fasting. It's calorie-free and can help boost energy and focus. However, avoid adding sugar, cream, or milk as they can break your fast. Liquid number 4, green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can support detoxification and fat metabolism during fasting. Enjoy it hot or cold for a refreshing and health-boosting beverage. Liquid number 5, bone broth. Bone broth is a nutrient-rich liquid made from simmering animal bones and connective tissue. It's rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for supporting gut health, a diverse microbiota, and promoting satiety during fasting. Incorporating fasting-friendly liquids into your fasting window regimen can help support hydration, manage hunger, and enhance the overall fasting experience. Experiment with different options to find what works best for you and aligns with your health goals. When to drink during fasting? Timing is key when it comes to consuming liquids during fasting. Here are some practical tips to help you stay hydrated and maximize the benefits of fasting. Fasting hydration tip number 1. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Sip water, herbal tea, or other fasting-friendly beverages regularly to prevent dehydration and support cellular and body function. Fasting hydration tip number 2. Drink before and after meals. During your eating window, enjoy liquids before and after meals to aid digestion and enhance nutrient absorption. This can also help you feel more satisfied and prevent overeating during feeding windows. Be careful to not overdo liquids before, during, and after a meal, since it can promote bloating and bad digestion as well. You can have a glass or two during that window of time. That should be more than enough. Fasting hydration tip number 3. Be aware of your body's signals. Pay attention to your body's thirst cues and drink accordingly. It's essential to stay hydrated, especially during longer fasting periods, and even more if you are intermittent fasting and practicing an intense physical activity. Fasting hydration tip number 4. Use a pinch of salt. Using a pinch of salt with your liquids can help you to stay better hydrated because salt has sodium, an important electrolyte for good hydration. We recommend you to use pink salt mainly, since besides sodium, pink salt provides you with other extra minerals like potassium, magnesium, calcium, and others. These extra minerals are also electrolytes that aid you in keeping yourself better hydrated. Remember that using high-quality electrolytes is also a very good way to stay up in your hydration game, so do not forget to use them when intermittent fasting. Avoid electrolyte supplements that contain any kind of sweetener or sugar. Also have in mind that fasting is a very healthy and personal practice as long as you do it in the right way, by not reducing calories and macronutrient intake during your eating window. Also, it's essential to understand all your body's signals and adjust accordingly. By implementing healthy hydration habits during intermittent fasting and incorporating these simple fasting-approved liquids into your fasting routine can help you to stay very well hydrated, energized, and focused throughout your fasting window. And now, the extra liquid that we promised and is totally fasting approved, this is lemon water. We have learned about lemon water in past videos. It is filled with antioxidants, polyphenols, and minerals that help you with staying very good hydrated and healthy. So enjoy this juicy liquid during your fasting windows and leverage from all its amazing benefits. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, fasting offers a myriad of potential benefits from weight loss and improved metabolic health to enhanced mental clarity and longevity. By staying hydrated with the fasting-friendly liquids we learned today, and by achieving optimal calorie and macronutrient intake during your eating window, you can optimize the benefits of fasting and support your overall well-being. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with hydration during intermittent fasting. We absolutely love hearing from you. Your support is amazing for the channel. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your weight loss and healthy fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.